Long live!
Jai Qatar, long live!
Long live! Long live!
Jai Qatar, long live!
Long live! Long live!
Sixth schedule, long live!
Long live! Long live!
Sixth schedule, long live!
Long live! Long live!
Hampreg, long live!
Lekong Sangse!
Hampreg, long live!
Lekong Sangse!
Jai Qatar Rajati Pading nang ma?
Padingan! Padingan!
Jai Qatar Rajati Pading nang ma?
Padingan! Padingan!
Tribal unity, long live!
Long live! Long live!
Tribal unity, long live!
Long live! Long live!
APSLC Pahai nang ma?
Pehai lang! Pehai lang!
APSLC Pahai nang ma?
Pehai lang! Pehai lang!
Rat Kacing Rum Pantang nang ma?
Batang lang!
Ayo kami mi pusi pada ini kan protejok. Abu Dhaga Pandey ni mati jo kata lonong dumlong dia farman long para farman. Aklin do anang phado antisado antusado anti purun ong purun ni purun long song japo cetong. Amdolang farman amdolang. Abu Dhaga jo roya amdolang aja amdolang dia amdolang kana amdolang putih amdolang depong amdolang Abu dia amdolang sensoa amdolang putih paru ceklu tegara paye pohonam. Ang bay pada bani jo lama je long khai long ang sui tu maka che song Abu Dhaga FSLC song japu Abu Dhaga jo long ri che long ni long pa che long ni.
Tadu ko eta Richard Epha. Ini Tomasar Phan, APSLC, Central Committee Lapen Reception Committee Atumpen, Karbi Acoy, Traditional Acoy Pajirlo, Lapen Karbi Apuhopen Selang Lipan Arso Panlo. Gardong Karbi ang Longarat, Gardong APSLC, Rongarat Pen, Be Bortimen Fansi Ladak, ito Mailong, Nangapacetong Duni Fansi, ito nang Cetong Dulo. Masalang Lipan Dami, kar bia poho pen lapen kar bia choi pen kar choji phansi Central Committee phan puthot chuhang tu kadung weda the se thedung ben Richard Davidson. So I request upon our brother Amai Chingho, the General Secretary, to come forward and take a felicitation of our Karbi traditional poho as well as Karbi traditional jacket. Please, I also request the Central Committee of all party Hills Leader Conference to felicitate our brother with the traditional Karbi poho. Alang litum ke Nagaland ben siwang lo, the Rising People's Party ben thak lo, Likro Red Secretary, alang liphan dame, apang lang ben, poho, Karbia poho lo ben jacket ke chodai liphan si, chuneri pon iglo. With a traditional poho and a Karbi jacket, Gardon. He came all the way from Nagaland. So now I would like to request Ms. Edino, Secretary of the RPP, to come forward. I also request our Central Committee team to facilitate our sister with a Karbi traditional poho and traditional bag. Alangli tame, Nagaland along, the Rising People Party along asong Japina, ele tong Karbi tong sanggalang tong betisong dulu, kaselang tong betisong dulu, kadung ko tame, non ebo ase thedong ben alang liphan, man kuti ben Richard Davidson. Ele tu Nagaland pen thak Jokhoi, Choho, Chujo. I would like to request a sister to felicitate a brother with a traditional poho and a Karbi jacket. He has a smaller jacket, but he looks good in Karbi jacket. Thank you. Pardon, namaskar. Sir Rajiv Duri to come forward. I also request our central team to felicitate our brother with traditional Karbi poho and a traditional bag. Pardon, lapen alang like Duri Akai. Pardon. Thank you, sir. Lasili tumlong. Ahin penang tong dun dulang, lapen nun ke bang bom tum da dulang, lasili tum kaduk we phand me bini, lam ke thand me arju dun long po, lapen alang litu, APSLC phand ngaching hon ang thek kame, ile tum bini thek kon long po.
Keturan ding long si dulang, lasil la cokama mulai ile tum, cipang tangji punor. Ele tuma political, ele tuma rateria mo, ele tuma pangtangi punon, ele tuma social system, ele tuma pangtangi punon, hajar le pangtangi pusita, ultimate la solution ke, hempre kaci palong pen mina kaci rilong ajak kong helo ele tuma ke, kenang sok lo. Arni arve cecak, lunu nangji lake, kanton kang tim muni la tuma lake putot lake pusit. Bang ruling class atum divide and rule polisi na ke play long tatum charcak tum tipun a resistance cipiun pen cisong tipen laan si hemprek long pulo tangte itum ke doana kisu ngabangke jok pon pura tu lasi ladak hini politik salong pini ke tek long ngabangke ke dam tangan ke itu Karbi rara tum manghu mangram sonsi hala simply la electoral politics ke pathupen kai ke power do ni polong si tum playing dun se Seta pining anengka nana bangke, Karbi yang long arada tumta thek bom lo, Karbi kidu ke lag arada tumta chini bom lo, non ke hemprek long lete, kulit tum ke rengne lo buka chini ajoksi, kace tong hong kam lo nake bar bangceng lo non ke. Nasi ong pik lo non ke, me pik lo, laan sose le tum jongsi, nale tum jongsi thurpak penche song pulotang te, lake, APSLC lida tum pancot kali lo lake. Karbi Anglong ke doan Karbi tu mapan kace song pi laso ka pang purpen ile tu makhe paprang ya pan akace song lu kusili lima ka
lapen voter list kaselam ajakong council kacari ajakong lapen council constituency kepta keci atum apan cehodai detlo high court pen hukum long det anta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ke Sik Schedule Angdeng Pihini Angdeng Sur Troxy Pen ke long aja kongta cihar jak hahed detsi ke ci atum aban sakor ce plang dun tu drong le lasi non a APHLC ke Autonomous State ke hang bom ahut ke long tang a political power Kacipang bobede ji apan si Sik Schedule pang tang tu nang ji pu je song bom lo atheke Sik Schedule avete autonomous state ta sing un it lapen Sik Schedule avete ing long arat atum along ri lapen ing long akheta rai un it government ariding ci hodai te kang rong titi jakong kace hodai te kang ching ke congress atum helu non BJP atum ke Sik Schedule along ke dotan ke thenei ajakong an atheke council election lapen voter list kaselam ajakong council kachari ajakong lapen council constituency kepta keci atum aphan cehodai detlo high court pen hukum long det anta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ke Sik Schedule Angdeng Pihini Angdeng Sur Troxy pen ke long aja kongta cihar jak hahed detsi keci atum aban sakor ce plang dun tu drong le lasi non a APHLC ke autonomous state ke hang bom ahut ke long tang a political power kacipang bobede ji apan si Sik Schedule pang tang tu nang ji pu ce song bom le atheke Sik Schedule avete autonomous state ta sing un it lapen Sik Schedule avete ing long arat atum along ri lapen ing long akheta rai un e government atum ing long arat aphan ilang selecta klang tudak atheke itum si autonomous state ke hang seta Kachar Korimganj Hailakandi Abongo sena atum apansi mini state piturong alang litum apan ke mini secretariat office ta Assam government si kim pitu etlu secretariat ke state office lo mini secretariat ke mini state office kalilang man te lapor lagi mini state pitu jet lah tu apan Bongo sene apan government atum ing hon waret kopia port loma Bongo sena atum Karbi Anglong kapaci right tip
para manoikta Sir Qatar taiba lead kuringna itu movement ja isi diri noikna itu sabna fulfill hobo kuringna itu expect kuriya sa aru itu patna sa. Now let me read out my president's speech. Please bear with me. On behalf of the Rising People's Party and the people of Nagaland, I bring greetings to all party Hills Leaders Conference on its 5th foundation day. I also convey my greetings to all the scheduled tribes, people of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao, including the minority Naga tribes such as Rengma and Zimi, and the Gurkis, and the indigenous people of Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the leaders of All Party Hills Leaders Conference for giving much needed leadership to the tribals of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao. As you continue to fight for the full implementation of 6th Schedule of the Constitution of India and creation of statehood in the Autonomous Council of Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao, to create and lead a people's movement is not easy for the people of the Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao. That the party is committed to the upliftment of the indigenous but minority tribal communities such as the Mikirs, Garos and Kacharis living in Nagaland since time immemorial. In fact, the party is seriously exploring ways and means to mainstream these marginalized tribes and thereby rectify the historical...
APSLC pahay ng ma! APSLC pahay ng ma! Jai Gathar pahay ng ma! Jai Gathar Chethe pading ng ma! Bonsu long live! Bonsu long live! RPP long live! RPP pahay ng ma! RPP pahay ng ma! Karbi Richo pangtang ng ma! Karbi Richo pangtang ng ma! Rongasar pangtang ng ma! Rongasar pangtang ng ma! Tribal unity long live! Tribal unity long